Hello everyone, welcome to a tutorial video for HTAsiaLink Annual Conference 2022 website. This video will show you what information is provided on the website and how to use the website. First, go to www.HTAsiaLink2022.com. There are 6 tabs on the menu bar: about the conference, plenary sessions, speakers, agenda, venue, accommodation and logistics. For registration, please click on the register button. Only pre-conference sessions are open to everyone interested. HTAsiaLink members can attend both pre-conference and the main conference. Please register according to your membership type. For HTAsiaLink members, please enter the password you received from the focal point of your organization or contact us for the password. After registration, please download Hoover, a mobile application, to receive updates as well as interact with the conference organizer and other registered attendees. The website will provide the information of plenary session, speakers, and agenda of the conference with a wide range of sessions. You can see the information of the venue and local attractions here. For information on recommended places to stay and transportation, click here. As HTAsiaLink participants, you could get the special rate at the Royal Clip Hotels Group if you book via these links. For your convenience, staying at the Royal Clip Hotels Group is highly recommended. For transportation, the organizer will provide free shared airport transfer between airports in Bangkok to Royal Clip Hotels Group. Please indicate your intention to use the service and provide the flight details through the registration form. A confirmed transfer schedule will be shared once ready. Don't forget to visit our website and Hoover app to get latest information. If you have any questions, please contact us via email HTAsiaLink@hitap.net and HTAsiaLink2022@hitap.net. See you at the conference!